Hey guys, Marisa at KitchenTableStamper.com. Today I've got a quick introduction video for you. If you're considering the 2020 mini catalog product sampler class, I thought I'd take just a minute to share with you in a little bit more detail what's included and how you get in on this class. So the 2020 mini catalog is almost here and it has some amazing products. And I want to do a product sampler with you. But not only do I want to do a product sampler with you, I also want you to dig in and use those products right away. So what is the product sampler? Let's start with that first. Your product sampler is this awesome kit of products from the Stampin' Up! 2020 mini catalog. And this is exactly how you'll receive your sampler. There's two options for this sampler, and we'll go through that in just a minute. But let me show you what it is. So in the product sampler, you're going to get a embellishment and ribbon sampler. The embellishment sampler will include the heart doilies, some champagne rhinestones, assorted pom-poms, and the printed gusseted bags. Your ribbon sampler will include little bit more than 2 yards, about 2.5 yards of each of the new ribbons. Your sampler will be packed just like you see it here. You get the little box for your ribbons and embellishments. Your bags are 6 bags, and then you also receive a quarter package of each of the new designer series papers. So this is how they'll come to you in a stack like this, 12 by 6. If they're 12 by 12 papers, and 6 by 6 if they're 6 by 6 papers. Each one will come stacked with the other, and the divider sheets in between will tell you what is the paper that precedes the divider sheet, what's the item number, what's the price for a full package of that, what are the coordinating colors, and where can you get some more. So there's the From My Heart Specialty Designer Series paper. You get a 12 by 6-inch sheet of each of the papers. Parisian Blooms, that one. You'll also get a 12 by 6 piece of each of the coordinated, or each of the designer series papers. Peaceful Poppies, one 12 by 6 sheet of each of the patterns. Birthday Bonanza designer series paper. That one is also 12 by 6. And Tropical Oasis. This is all included in your sampler at either option. There are 2 options for this sampler. And then Country Club Designer Series paper. And you've got a 6 by 12 of each pattern. Now, there's also a 6 by 6 pattern in the new 2020 mini catalog, and this is dressed, or best dressed. You'll get 12 6 by 6 sheets of best dressed. Now included with your sampler at either level is also the Celebration Designer Series paper sampler pack. And that includes the Golden Honey Specialty Designer Series paper. It's 6 by 12. And you'll get one 6 by 12 of each pattern, and the Lily Impressions Designer Series paper. These are yours for free with either option 1 or option 2 for the product sampler. So that's what the product sampler itself is. You get the paper, the ribbon, and the embellishments. Now for option 1, it's just the paper, the embellishments, the ribbon, and I'm going to include the online classroom for the mini catalog product sampler class. You'll get only digital version of the class. There will be step-by-step videos as well as project sheets with printed pictures, measurements, and instructions. The projects for the mini catalog product sampler class, we're going to take our embellishment box and we're going to change it up into this awesome little gift card presentation. We've got this looking sharp stationery kit. Oh, what a great little kit. Welcome, little one. Relax and chinchilla out. Wow, that went by fast. So 3 cards and then a graduation money holder. So it's got a little belly band, and inside you can put cash or a check. So those are the 6 projects that'll be included in the online classroom. Option 1 for the product sampler is $52. If you can pick up in the Chicago area, then there is no shipping on that. If you cannot, if you are not local, it's okay. $8 priority shipping will get you your sampler delivered right to your door via USPS priority, and the class will be delivered by email. Now there is a second option. Option 2 includes the free celebration paper sampler, the online classroom, everything you see in the 2020 mini catalog product sampler, but it also will include kits for each of the projects. So you'll get all of the cardstock pieces, all of the extra embellishments like twine and sequins. You'll get all your die cutting and embossing done for you. You will cut into your paper ribbon and add your embellishments to finish the 2020 catalog product sampler class. So with option 2, those kits will be included, as well as the Witticisms Cling Mount stamp set. So this is option 2. It's $80, $8 priority shipping if you require shipping. And in addition to everything, you'll choose one option from the celebration catalog. So you can add on one additional item as part of the option B for the mini catalog product sampler. If you've got any questions about the mini product sampler class, you can always email Marisa at kitchentablestamper.com. And to learn more or for a link to register, you can buzz over to kitchentablestamper.com/samplers. All right, you guys, thanks for watching.